Hi, this is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and these are the new Velocity Micro Cruz tablets, the D610 and Q610, which are dual-core and quad-core tablets. And they are the first Android tablets from Velocity Micro to feature, well, I believe the first ones to feature multi-core chips, but definitely the first ones to offer the Google Play Store and other Google apps. So previous versions came with the Amazon App Store, but now we've got the Play Store, we've got the YouTube app, and other software, including Gmail, Google Maps, and so forth, is available for these devices. They're also some of the first devices that we've seen in the West, I believe, that have all-winner multi-core chips. So the all-winner A10 has proved pretty popular with a lot of white-box Chinese manufacturers because it's a low-power chip that's very inexpensive and offers decent performance. But the dual-core and the quad-core chips are, well, a little bit faster and handle multitasking better. Right now, these are running a sort of early version of the Android 4.1 operating system for that processor, so they're not entirely optimized, and I've noticed that on the early version, for the most part, graphics seem pretty smooth and apps load quickly, but every now and again it's a little bit jerky, but that should hopefully be smoothed out as the software is developed a little bit further. And as you can see, overall, it switches apps quite quickly, it loads things nicely, handles multi-touch and zoom. We've got 5-point capacitive multi-touch screen displays here. And just having a little bit of an issue here with the quadrant benchmarking test, which isn't really my favorite benchmark anyway. And look, it's upside down. So while that runs, I'll take a quick look here. This is the dual-core version, and you can see we've got HDMI, USB, I think it's micro USB, SD card slot, headset jack, power button, and a pretty slim design here, front and back cameras, and volume buttons on the side of this model. On the version with the quad core, we've got ports sort of hidden away behind a door here, including your USB and HDMI ports, SIM card slot. There's also a headset jack, power cable, a reset button, or a tiny little reset hole here, back, power, and then on the tablet itself we've got little volume buttons here, so you can do volume up and down instead of physical volume buttons. And I believe the benchmark should be finished here, so I can stop talking. Do you want to proceed? Yes, I do. And so you can see our device is doing better than an Atrix 4G, but it's not necessarily the fastest chip around. Even though this is a quad-core processor, it's a relatively sort of a budget quad-core processor, but that helps keep the price down. And we're going to see, I believe the quad-core version you said is going to have a price in the range of about $249, and dual-core will be probably about $199. So these will be some of your more affordable tablets with 9.7-inch 1024 by 1024 by 768 pixel displays. And again, take a quick look at the specifications here. This is the quad-core version and the dual-core version. This is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and a look at the Velocity Micro Cruz D610 and Q610.